from Chicago, the A4M 360. Wrapping up this seminar. Here's our booth. Had a great success and very excited about the responses from the clinicians, surgeons, and doctors for this event. It's a beautiful opportunity, and we were able to showcase our product. This product that we are talking about here is the 44-inch 2.0 with variable pressure, starting from 1.3 ATA going all the way to 2.0. It's fitted with a slew of safety features, including the safety valves and emergency pressure release valves, as well as multiple oxygen concentrators, internal air conditioning unit to enhance the client or the patient experience, sound absorbing material, plush, business class inspired seat where the footrest to just about everything, including lumbar support, can be adjusted electrically. Anything that you can do from outside, you should be able to do the same thing, or your patient should be able to do the same thing internally using this touch panel miniature version of the external AC. You have the TV, smart TV, that a client can watch their favorite show by screencasting it, and then a convenient intercom that will ring right here should they need you to help during the session. Any further questions, please get in touch with us. We are the largest selection of hyperbaric home engineered for safety and luxury. www.oxygenhealthsystems.com.